So here is a full beginner's guide on MetaTrader 5. So first of all, what we'll do in today's video is we will go through MT5, how you can log in, how you can take trades and everything in between, right? So first of all, what we need to do is head over to MT5 here. And this will be the main dashboard that you will see when you log in, which is the quotes page. Now the quotes page will be all the currency pairs, commodities, indices that you can go ahead and trade. Now to bring up a new one, you can click on the search icon and then you can search through the different ones here. So we've got Forex, commodities, indices, crypto, etc. You can then go into each individual folder and then you can choose the one that you want. Now, once you choose one, so for example, if we go to Forex and you click on the miners one, click on AUD NZD, once you select it, it will then be added to this list here, and you can then go into it and trade it as normal. So to be able to start trading, we first of all need to log into our account. So to do this, go to settings, and then you want to click on add new account. Once you do this, you can then go over to here, and then you can then go to the search bar down at the bottom, and then you can then search for your specific broker. So for example, if I trade with IC Markets, I will search for them. That will then bring up a whole different list. You can then click on the one that it says on your broker, and then you can then select between the server. So click on the correct server here, and then you can then enter in your login credentials, which will then log you into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you are then good to go to the next step, and then we can then start trading. So as you can see now, we are now back on our quotes page. If you want to go to trade here, it will show you your current balance. Your history will show you your trade history. If you go over to settings here, you can then click on settings and see all of the different settings available inside the MT5 app, but you don't really need to change anything inside here. So to go ahead and trade, what we can do is, first of all, we can go to quotes. We can click on XAU USD, for example, click on trade. And here is where you'll then be able to choose between market execution, buy and sell limits, buy and sell stops, etc. Once you choose the one that you want, so for example, a buy limit, you will then enter in your lot size. So you want to calculate your lot size first of all, which is very important. Now your lot size is very important because this is the amount that you will be trading according to your account balance and also your stop loss size when you are trading a specific pair. Now what we can do is enter in our lot size first of all, and then you can then enter in the price which you want to enter at. If it is a market order, it will market execute on the exact price that it is trading at the moment. If it is a limit order, you will be able to select a specific price that you want to put in an order at, and then once price trades to that level, you will then be entered into the market. Now you can also enter in a stop loss and a take profit level, and you can also enter in a stop loss and take profit level. And once you have done this, you can then simply click on place. Another way that we can place trades is if we head on back and then go over to our chart. So once we open up our chart here, to place a trade directly on our chart, what we can do is click on this icon in the top right hand corner. It will then bring up this buy and sell limit option. If we click on the arrow, it will allow us to change different options. Now you can change between, again, execution, buy limit, buy stops, sell stops, etc. Change your lot size and everything like that. But what you want to do is you essentially want to place your limit somewhere around here. And then you can also set your stop loss. And then you can also set your take profit. Now, once you do this, you'll be able to drag and drop each individual level around. And then you can then go ahead and swipe this across here, and then that will then enter in that specific trade. And let's just say that price does come up here now. I will be then entered into the trade, and if it comes down here, it will hit take profit. If it goes up there, it will hit my stop loss. So that's the basics of the MT5 app, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.